How to buy and sell stocks. Fidelity. Fidelity Investments provides investment management, brokerage services, retirement planning, and wealth management. It helps individuals and institutions grow their wealth through mutual funds, stock trading, financial advisory, and research tools. First, go to Fidelity website and log into your account with username and password. Click on the left-hand side. You're going to see an option that says Trade. If for some reason you do not have this option available for you right there, the other option you can do is hover over where you see Account and Trade, and if you kind of scroll down here, you can see the option for Trade. Click on Go. In this symbol option, enter company name or symbol. Then click on Buy option. Then select dollar option. Enter dollar amount. Then click on Market. Click on Preview Order. Click on Place Order. That's it. Thanks for watching.